प्यारे बच्चों, in this figure it is given that BD is the bisector of angle ABC and C is perpendicular on AB, and it is given that angle ABD is 40 degree and ACE is 10 degree. So this angle is given 10 degree, this is 10 degree, and when this is perpendicular, this is 90 degree. Therefore आप लिख दीजिएगा when angle ACE is 10 degree, it is given, and angle AEC equal to 90 degree because it is given also. Therefore angle EAD or BAD, what you are asking is therefore angle BAD equal to 180, sum of interior angle equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 10. That means 90 plus 10 is 100 equal to 80 degree. It is first answer is over 80 degree. And now come BDC and thou see BDC. So when it is 80 degree, and it is 40 degree, it is given 40 degree given, then it should be 60 degree and it will be 120 degree. So आप लिखिए when angle ABD, when angle ABD equal to 40 degree and angle BAD equal to 80 degree, ये वाला प्रूफ लिखिएगा, प्रूफ हुआ भी, and it is given. Therefore angle BDC, it is asking BDC equal to 120 degree. Sum of two interior angle equal to internal opposite angle. वो भी उससे भी कर सकते हैं. इसका 80 प्लस 40 180 से माइनस होगा तो दैट इज 60 होगा, ये वाला ए 120. This is answer second 120 degree. क्लियर? आपको अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो आप यहाँ करके देख सकते हैं. 180 माइनस 80 प्लस 40, 80 प्लस 40, दैट मीन्स कितना होगा 120 इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. ये एंगल होगा एंगल BDA. ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि आपने बोल दिया है सम ऑफ टू एंगल्स इक्वल टू इंटरनल अपोजिट एंगल. एंड थर्ड इज आस्किंग इज एम सी, आस्किंग इज DMC when it is 90 degree, it is 40 degree, 90 plus 40 is 30 degree. So this angle will be 50 degree, तो opposite angle is 50 degree. तो आप लिख लिए, यहाँ लिखिएगा when angle BED, when angle BED equal to BEC, when angle BEC equal to 90 degree and angle EBM equal to 40 degree. Therefore angle BME equal to 90 plus 40 130, तो ए वाला हो जाएगा 50 degree. This will be 50 degree. So it should be 50 degree. Clear? Equal to 50 degree equal to angle DMC, क्योंकि ऑपोजिट एंगल है, ऑपोजिट एंगल ये सब लिख दीजिएगा क्योंकि आपको अच्छा लगेगा. दिस इज आंसर. सो आप आंसर 1 में लिखिए. आंसर therefore एंगल आस्किंग BAD इक्वल टू आपका कितना आएगा 80 डिग्री. एंगल आपसे पूछा गया एंगल BDC equal to 120 degree and angle DMC equal to 50 degree. Clear? This is answer. प्यारे बच्चों, if you like this video, please share to your friends, put some comment. Those who has not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.